guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be again a haul. I know this is the worst time to shop for clothes or jewelry because we are not going out, but I'm just getting ready for the day when we will be going out, and I hope that day comes soon. But yeah, anyway, I needed some new jewelry because I got rid of all of my old jewelry. I had to get rid of them because if you've been following me since day one, then you know that I had a piece of cardboard here on my vanity where I used to hang up all my earrings on it, and everyone thought it was a great idea to keep earrings on display so that I can just grab one and head out quickly. But it was not a good idea because all of my earrings had developed a little bit of rust on the surface where you wear it. So whenever I wore them, they used to feel extra heavy and very uncomfortable, and that's when I realized that that is what's going on. So I just threw all of them. And in today's video, I have Western jewelry. I don't have any Indian jewelry. So this is my new jewelry box. I mean, I always had this little box from Paco Rabanne, but I like to keep my gold jewelry in it. I am obsessed with gold jewelry these days. So today I have got earrings, rings and bracelets to share with you. Talking about necklaces, I didn't get any new necklaces because I already have one golden one, then I have one silver and one coppery one, which my sister got these 3 pieces from Primark from Germany. So on Myntra there is this brand called Just Peachy, and I got some things from, they look like starfish, which is so cute, and it gives me a lot of like beachy vibes. These days I'm attracted a lot towards beachy things, but yeah, it's very cute. It's a very cute starfish, and this one I got for just 350 rupees, which I think is totally worth it. It's really good quality. So here on the top part it's like a cute shell, and then there is this starfish which has a little bit of a texture on it. So I really like this one, and they are not heavy also. They're not heavy at all, and yeah, I can't wait to go wear these on a beach, hopefully very soon. So the next pair of earrings I have are hoops from the same brand, Just Peachy, and these are called white enameled circular hoop earrings. So when I saw these, I found them very interesting because they are white and they are a little thick. They are not like your typical just thin hoop earrings, so they are a little thick and they are white, and I really like it. They look really good also. I got these for 300 rupees, which I was so excited about, but the one thing that I didn't like is that it doesn't click properly over here, or maybe I got a defective piece, but I love it. I love the look of these white hoop earrings. Okay, so the next piece is called the gold plated circular drop earrings. I am in love with this one. So these ones are really small, but I love it when you're wearing a bun, especially when you're wearing a bun. It just adds a very nice statement to your look, so I really like this one. This one I got for 350 rupees from the same brand, and I think it's worth it. It's really cute. I like it. It's tiny, simple, and when you're bored especially, you can just put on a simple piece of earring and it will add something to your outfit. So I like this for that reason. But yeah, if you like only short earrings, then definitely check this one out. I think you'll love it. Okay, so this is the next pair. It's like a neon fluorescent pink color, and I know it's very summery. This one also I feel is so perfect on a sunny day at the beach or something like that. It will look so cute and like it will pop in pictures. So this one I got for 390 rupees. All of this I got on a discount. I don't know the original prices, but yeah, Myntra always has discounts. Very neon, very summery, but yeah, I love them. Okay, so the next thing is not a earring from Just Peachy. It is a hair accessory. So this one is called the gold toned shell hair clips, which I think is so cute and again so beachy. I'm just ready, I'm ready to take a trip to the beach. But yeah, it's a set of 2 hair clips which have shells on them and like moti on them. So these things are super duper trendy these days, especially when you do a side partition with your hair and just add these 2 hair clips over here. It looks so cute. Again, perfect for a beachy day, but also good to take a pic from the side profile. I really love this one. I can't wait to wear it. So this pair I got for 300 rupees, and this one is like a simpler one. It is like a proper clip, and this one is like your regular bobby pin. Okay, so those are all the things that I got from Myntra. The next few things that I'm going to talk about I got from a brand called everstylish.com. So they have an Instagram page and they have a website which I ordered from. So the first pair that I got is this one. So this is called the Glamorous Elegant Golden Intertwined Earrings. So this one I got for 180 rupees, and they are really good quality. Everstylish is also a super duper affordable brand that I have discovered. So yeah, really good quality for 180 rupees. I think they look really glamorous, especially for a party or videos. So the next pair is called the Charm of a Perfectionist stone studded golden earrings. So yeah, these are super duper pretty and glamorous. They are very long. I love long earrings. It has this studded diamond look on the top and then these danglers, which makes it very fancy and glam. So yeah, like this one. So this one I got for 162 rupees and so far so good. So the next one is called the Mesmerizing Indulgence Elegant Earrings, and I love this one. These ones are really very special. So you know burgundy is my favorite color. So when I saw these, I had to pick them up. So this one has like a white stone, a dark green stone and one ruby maroon stone, and this one is for 190 rupees, and I have so many tops in burgundy, so it's going to look very nice with those. And yeah, it looks really pretty. They are not super long or short, they are like the perfect mid-length. So yeah. Okay, so I also got two rings from Ever Stylish. So the first one is called the Silver Layered Hearts Adjustable Ring, which is so cool. I love adjustable rings. Otherwise it's a very risky game, you know, to get rings online without trying them, so it's always good to get such adjustable rings. So this one has like a layer and two hearts on it. It is super duper cute and silver. The second one that I have is called the Illuminating Infinity Adjustable Ring. So this one I got because it has infinity on it, which I thought is super cute. They are really good quality, you know, and for 250 rupees I think it's totally worth it, given that they are adjustable and anyone can wear it. And I really like this brand Ever Stylish. They have some cute and trendy stuff at very affordable prices, so definitely go check them out. I'm going to link all of these items down below. Okay, so talking about rings, one more brand that I shopped from is called Accessorize India Official. They have an Instagram page and a website. So from them I got two sets of rings. So one golden one and one silver one. Both have 7 rings and both retail for 670 rupees each. So these rings are not adjustable, but they do come in different sizes. So I got L because I have pretty chubby fingers. So I thought I'll get the biggest size, and that was a good decision. So these fit me really nicely, and 2-3 of them do look very similar to each other, but I really like this one which has diamonds on it, and I like to layer these so that I can wear 3 of them together. So yeah, I do like this one. It is a little expensive than Ever Stylish. This is for 670 rupees for 7 rings. But yeah, I like it. It's cute. This silver is very like shiny silver. It's not like your typical silver color. It's very shiny. So this one comes with a cute crown ring. So there are 7 very similar looking rings and one special crown ring. I think this crown ring also looks good just by itself. So yeah. Okay, so the last brand that I shopped from is called Joker and Witch. It's very popular, and I love the logo of this brand, and I got a 50% off coupon code. So I think that they keep running on their site quite often, so you can also get things from them on a discount. You'll get like a 50% discount, which is so cool. So I got this stack. It's called the Midnight Set of 3 bracelets. So this one I got for 750 rupees with a 50% off. So the first bracelet is a very cute bow, and it also comes with this black one, and then this one which has a lot of golden chains and a black one. And yeah, I think it's worth it and it's cute. Only this one you have to tie. These two you don't have to tie, so these two are very hassle free. The next set that I got from them is this pair of 4 bracelets, and this one I got for 500 rupees. It comes with this one which is like a knot, this one which has leaves on it, but this one is super duper difficult to wear because it is very sharp, and this one cut me while wearing it. So yeah, be aware, it's very sharp. And then it also comes with these two, which one of it is a diamond and one of it is like a normal circular design, which I hate. This is such a difficult task to wear on your own, so you will need help to wear this. So that's why I don't think I recommend this one. Okay, so the next set from Joker and Witch I got for 350 rupees is a set of 6 rings, out of which 3 are already gone bad. So they do give you instructions telling you you're not supposed to let, you know, water or moisture get onto them. But I think my hand sanitizer must have gone onto them, so that's why 3 of them are bad, which is super sad because the ones that got bad are the ones that I was most excited about. So yeah, don't even let hand sanitizer get onto them, otherwise it's ruined. And then we have these two also, which are again super duper similar, and they belong to the same set, but yeah, it's like a twister ring situation. So yeah, this entire set is super cute, is worth it, only if you take extra care of it. Okay, and the last two rings from Joker and Witch. I've gone crazy about rings, so I've got so many of them. So yeah, this one is called the Satan gold ring, and I also got one in silver. So I got this for 300 rupees, each of it for 300 rupees, and I love this one. It's super duper stylish and it is adjustable. They don't belong to any set, they are sold separately, so that's why maybe they are for 300 rupees, but I do like them. So yeah, this is the last thing that I got. And yeah, that is all that I got from Joker and Witch. It's a really awesome brand, but yeah, make sure to get it on a sale or a 50% discount, then you'll save a lot of money. So yeah, I hope that you enjoyed this video and I hope that it has helped you. If you're also looking for buying jewelry online, then I hope that my video helps you. So yeah, make sure to give me a thumbs up before you leave, subscribe if you haven't, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!